Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily activate your American Express credit card, whether you're using a computer, mobile app, or phone. So if you've just received your new Amex card, stay tuned and follow the steps carefully. Activating your American Express card is quick and simple. It ensures you can start using your card right away. Before you begin, make sure you have your new card handy, as you'll need your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 1. Online activation. Open your browser and visit www.americanexpress.com. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen and sign in with your username and password. Once logged in, go to Account Services or Card Services, then click Activate Card. Enter your card details, number, expiration date, and CVV, and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Finally, click Activate and your card will be ready to use. Step 2. Activation via mobile app. Open the American Express mobile app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log in with your Amex credentials, then tap on Activate Card. Enter your card details, complete the security verification, and tap Activate. That's it. Your American Express card is now successfully activated and ready for use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.